Flag football is no joke. Everybody comes out and they really do kind of give their all. So it's more than, even though it's just a game, it's still more than just a game. There's a lot of pride on the line. BSA for me is another friend group that has honestly been more than just a friend group. It's something that there's people there in that organization that I'm going to keep with me throughout my life. You could go ahead and pan out. I don't think any other school is going to get this beautiful. I'm going to tell you right now, they might have a nice field, but playing on this is wild.
We get these shirts, championship shirts. You know, we got them last year. They're going to say back-to-back this year.
Go, 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 go! Turn up, turn up! Go, boy! That's crazy! That's one! That juke is crazy! Run it back!
I might have been a little extra on the field. We did our best to not only get the dub, but try and be respectful. Every now and then we get a little too aggressive, talking to myself, and we can go a little bit too far. But in overall, it's been really fun just being with the homies. So.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Tonight is Winter Wonderland right here on main campus. We have crepes, we have cupcakes, latkes, a whole ice skating rink, fake snow, and a snow globe photo booth. And this is a whole event that the board puts on just to kind of celebrate Christmas all together. These past few weeks have been really heavy for our community, so just coming together like this on main campus is just kind of really motivating to see everyone again, spend time together, and have a good Christmas season despite the circumstances.
So we were in charge of getting like all the drinks, and we got all those. Yeah. We got here and it was like 15 minutes till the thing started, and we forgot the cups. We had like 400 cups.
Oh no.
So we were like, and we're supposed to be in position like 10 minutes before, so we literally sprinted up the stairs and we're running. And the only way to get you there faster is like Christmas trap music. So yeah, that's
get you to Coffee Bean or to the car?
To both.
It's during finals week right now, so we're like taking study breaks and enjoying time together and like celebrating the winter holiday Christmas spirit. I have 2 computer science finals, and those are like the real struggle right now. I also have a poli science test and a guitar final too. It's the culmination of the semester. Everything's going smoothly. It's crazy that it's senior year. Like I say this every single time, but time flies. Snow globe review. So when we were entering in, I was definitely holding the door open and letting all the air out. Did not think of how it worked. It was a lot of fun. I got to throw plastic/snow at my friends, and we got a great picture. We apparently got the best snow picture that they've taken this entire night.
I'm going back to Bakersfield, and I'm going to work on the board website.
Thank you, I appreciate you.
And I'm going to make a video concept for your event, and then one for Pacific Sounds. It's like weird that we're like trying to plan the next big event as like we are literally standing at the big event.
I know. But don't work on doing all work like this.
No, I'm not. I'm gonna like hang out with my dog and like do Bakersfield things.
In some ways it feels wrong to be ending on a positive note because there's just been so much heavy stuff and people are still suffering. There's part of me that's like, why are we celebrating? But I know that it's good for us and good for our community, and trying to enjoy it as much as possible and let some of the worries go away. So I'm trying, but it's hard.
We got to go to Pitt afterwards, which is the Pepperdine Improv troupe. They have monthly performances, and I almost always try to go. I think it's so funny.
The entire show is basically unplanned, and the actors and actresses in the show don't really know what's coming that night, so it's all very humorous and very lighthearted.
I have EGGNOG eggnog. It is a family favorite for centuries, and it was produced...
Good challenge. Lady, you don't have to have a family to enjoy eggnog. To ever enjoy eggnog other than Mr. Eggnogus himself was this guy named Charlie Lots of Eggs. And he enjoyed it so much that he...
Julian!
You're making all this up!
Take a stop, Julian!
But the majority of eggnog is probably drinking at Christmas and
John!
That was definitely the ideal way to spend the last Friday night before finals started at Pitt and Winter Wonderland, just because it was a good time to ignore some of the tasks that I had to do, some of the setting I had to do, and really just spend some time with friends, laughing a lot more than I have, and just to enjoy the time that we have together.
God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void.
The Pepperdine Cross, it's been a symbol for our campus for a while, ever since it was put up there, just because a lot of students do that hike on their first week at Pepperdine during NSO.
In my head, you haven't graduated until you've done the cross hike.
I knew that the hills had been burned, but I didn't really think about the cross at first. There's so much going on. You're like, is my house okay? Are my friends okay? And then someone mentioned it. I was like, oh my gosh.
A couple of brothers, we started to notice that other people on campus were wanting to get in on the cross building, and we said, why would we not go ahead and take precedence over this and go ahead and rebuild it?
But the fact that before the break was even done, we already had the cross built in the garage, ready to be put up, and we were putting it up a week back with the Housley family. It was really beautiful to see everyone come together.
Then to see it being replanted in that same spot, that was so inspiring.
It's a really powerful message to kind of resurrect something amongst a really black hill, and I think the symbolism of all coming together and having people from all over our community be there is something that I'll hold on to for forever.
When you look up at the cross on this campus, it's the highest point, and it's all charred, and Malibu's charred right now, and houses are burned, and people are broken, and things are hurting, but the highest point on this campus is this beautiful white cross, and it has Elena's name on it.
No way will we ever forget what has happened, but we will make sure that we come back better, bigger, and stronger than we have before.
Once you're a part of Pepperdine, what I'm feeling like as a senior, and even after like experiencing the events of the semester, is that once you're into Pepperdine and once you step your foot into the door, no one's ever going to let you fall and no one's ever going to let you go, because this university is so supportive and it really is a family.
For if everything exists to lift you high, so will I. And if the